Prophet 9 at Prophet 9. All right, guys, just let's hold on. So we'll be starting up this live trading session, and I believe we can also see my screen. So I'd just like you to follow it. Just hold on. All right, guys. So we are live, and we are live here. All right. Now we'll quickly be starting off so that we don't take too much time. So I'll quickly look at some few instruments that you can get to trade, and from there we proceed. Okay, if that's fine. Now the first instrument I'd like us to check is USDJPY. So let's quickly look at USDJPY. For USDJPY, I'll be having my entry somewhere around there. Yes. So for my buy, I can have it somewhere around there. Now, my entry point for the buy. Let me do it. Okay, sorry for that. All right. Yeah. So kicking off USDJPY, we'll be looking at the entry point for USDJPY. Um, USDJPY. USDJPY. So entries for USDJPY. Uh, entries for USDJPY. So let's quickly change my instant execution to pending order. Um, Basically, I'm expecting a mixed news, but all the same, let's see how it goes. So USDJPY change. Let's quickly check buy stop. All right. So for USDJPY, my entry point for USDJPY, the buy stop is at 145. Buy stop at 145.540. 145.540, then my take profit at 145.730. So I'm taking it again, my NWI buy stop. Now I'll be using 0.05. Okay, I won't just be using small lot size, I'll be using 0.05. So coming again 145.540, then my take profit at 145.730. Okay, one, that's place. Now for my sell stop on USDJPY, sell stop USDJPY, most likely, okay, let me just put it here. Sell stop USDJPY is at 144. Sell stop USDJPY at 144.998. 144.998. My take profit at 144.835. Let me come again. My sell stop entry price at 144.998 and my take profit at 144.835. 144.835. Okay, so that's my entries for both the buy and BPP. USD. Entry price for GBP USD, GBP USD 109. Okay, coming again, my entry for GBP USD buy stop at 1.26968. My take profit at 1.27109. Then I click on place. All right, then for my sell stop, GBP USD sell stop, GBP USD sell stop. My sell stop for GBP USD is happening at, okay, let me quickly adjust this. Let me adjust this. So my sell stop, entry price. Entry price for my sell stop is at 1.26362. 1.26362, and my take profit at 1.26207. GBP USD, let me come again. My buy stop GBP USD is at 1.26968, 1.26968, and my take profit at 1.27109. Then my sell stop for GBP USD, my sell stop for GBP USD, okay? Sell stop GBP USD, entry price 1.26, 1.26362, 1.26362. Then my take profit at 1.26207, 1.26207. Okay, I think we are good, right? All right, then place. Okay, so the next instrument is EURUSD. That's Euro USD, EURUSD. And if you can see my screen, you can just be picking the entries as you are seeing it there. So EURUSD, my entry for EURUSD buy stop, EURUSD. So I'm actually expecting a bad data for USD. So, uh, all right, entry price EURUSD is at, that's my buy stop at 1.08, 1.08679, 1.08679, and my take profit at 1.08800. My take profit, sorry, my entry price Euro USD is at 1.08679, and my take profit at 1.08800. Okay, that's for my EUR USD. Okay, so let me quickly set my instant execution. Let me go 9. Take profit at 1.08800. Then you click on place. Good. Now my sell stop EUR USD. Sell stop EUR USD. All right, now, in case you are not hearing me, just follow through the charts and you will see the entries for this instrument we just said. So, sell stop, EURUSD, entry price at 1.08230, sell stop 1.08230, and my take profit. Entry price, don't forget, entry price 1.08230. Now my take profit at 1.08109. 1.08109. All right. So that's EU USD. Euro USD is set to go. All right. So let's quickly look for the next currency pair, USD CHF. USD CHF. So for USD CHF, one thing I don't like about it is the spread. But just trade it wisely, okay? So for USD CHF, I'll be looking at USD CHF. Sorry, sorry. Okay, good. Now my buy pending order for USDCHF at 0.88411. 0.88. That's buy stop. 0.88411. Then my take profit at 0.88501. Then my take profit at 0.88501. Then I also have my sell stop. My sell stop at my sell stop at 0.88. Sell stop for USDCHF at 0.88075, and my take profit at 0.87987. Don't forget my sell stop at 0.88075. My take profit at 0.87987. 0.87987. All right. Now ensure to set all those things. 0.88075. All right. Ensure to set all these things, okay, before the market moves. Okay, before the market moves. Now let's quickly look at gold. Let's quickly look at gold. Gold. Gold has been going up. I love gold. Which is in anticipation. Gold. Now, I need to be very careful with gold. If I set a pending order, let me set it above this resistance. I'm very sure gold. Buy stop. Buy stop. Gold. Buy stop. Gold. Entry price for buy stop. That's 1949. 1949.26. 1949.26. That's my entry price for gold. 1949.26. Let me also set mine because profit is at 1952.05. I take profit at 195 again, 1949.26. Take profit at 1952.05. 1952.05. All right. Now let's quickly have our sell stop, sell stop for gold, sell stop for gold. So my entry price for the sell stop, I think I'll be fine there because you can go up. Okay. Entry price for sell stop 1940, 1940.87, 1940.87, and my take profit at 1938. Okay, 1938.14. Right. Please, if you are setting your pending order, ensure not to expose your account to too much risk. Don't use like you can maximize profit in the market. US 100, US 100, US 100. Let me support the resistance. Also, US 100 has been doing more of up. So we'll be looking at buying above the resistance, buying above the resistance. So for US 100, my buy stop, US 100 buy stop. US 100 buy stop. Okay, I'm coming. Also set this 0.01. Now, even Prophet is using 0.01. Well, it's just to be safe. It's for you to be safe. Okay. So buy stop 0.01. Now, my entry, my buy stop is 15627.64. Let me come again. My entry point US 100 15627.64. Entry price US 100 15627.64. That's my entry price 1515627.64. And my take profit is at 15671.18. All right. So my take profit is at 1515671.18. That's buy stop. Then 15493.97. Entry price for sell stop 15493.97, and my take profit at 15458 15458.53. 15458.53. So US 100, that's my entry price. So I'm looking at buy stop 15627.64, take profit at 15671.18, and my sell stop for US 100 is at 15493.97, take profit at 15458.53. All right. So that's for US 100. Okay, so please don't forget, pick the few instruments you want to trade. Don't trade all, and ensure that you just deposit and you have good money to trade. That's the best thing. All right. So the next instrument is going to be US 2000. US 2000. US 2000. So on US 2000, I think US 2000 should be the last instrument. I've done USD JPY, Euro USD. I've done USD CHF, GBP USD. That's one, two, three, four, five, six. Just keep your peace and hold on. Good. So this is US 2000. So if I'm looking at buying, it should be above this point because price most likely is going to break above this zone. Uh, Now we are just trading based on fundamental, looking at how far price is most likely to go. And if I'm looking at selling anywhere below this point, please let's just leave entries and it to start going back. So buy stop. Yes. Now our entries for buy stop 1919 1919.3 for US 2000. For buy stop 1919.3, and my take profit at 1923.2, 3.3, 18. Okay, let me come again. My sell stop entry is at 1898.2, and my take profit at 1893.3. That's for US 2000. Okay, US 2, the other one. 1898.2, then take profit at 1893.3. 1893.3. All right. So now the last instrument, let's see. So the last instrument I'll be doing for today, the last instrument. Now, if you are not hearing me, please just go through the chart and check the entry prices. Okay, you have everything dropped on the chart. So if you can't hear me, just follow through the chart. Okay, so follow through the chart if you cannot hear me, and you can quickly take advantage of all the entry prices that have been given. Let's see. We started with USDJPY, USDJPY. We did USD CHF, GBP USD, Euro USD, gold, US 100, US 2000. So that's one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. That's seven instruments. Okay. But if you want one more, let's do AUD USD. AUD USD. Now that instrument is a funny instrument, and I like that instrument. So if it go in one direction, it will go. If it do not go, it will not go in one direction. So let's do AUD USD. Eh, eh, eh. AUD USD. I will be live here till when everything takes profit. All right. So AUD USD buy stop. AUD USD buy stop. Now I need to set my own pending orders. Somebody is making profit already. Eh, 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 eh. Okay, buy stop AUD USD. That's the last instrument. AUD USD buy stop at 0.64 and my take profit at 0.64, sorry, 0.65103. Let me come again. My entry price for AUD USD buy stop 0.64984. My take profit at 0.65103. Okay, good. The next one I'll be doing my sell stop for AUD USD 0.64638. AUD USD sell stop 0.64638. My take profit at 0.64535. 0.64535. Please don't forget, you don't need to trade all of these instruments when you know that you don't have enough money in your account. All right. So just pick few out of all these instruments and you get to trade them. Don't forget, how many do you pick? Pick few out of all these instruments and just trade them. Don't trade all. Okay? Don't trade all. Pick few and you get to trade them. All right. So don't forget, now we have like eight instruments here. So AUD USD is the last one. So this is 126. It's almost time for the news to be released. We are set. We are ready to make this money. So let's just wait and let's see what is likely to happen. Now, when you set one and you use good lot size, you can be able to make good money. All right. So, but don't do more than what your account will not be able to carry. That's my advice for you. Don't do more than what your account. Okay. Some are about to trigger, so I don't want to really have much of this. So USDCHF is looking close. Be careful of spread also. Because USDCHF, the last time we did it, it just triggered spread and it's went the other direction. All right. So we are waiting. Okay. It's supposed to have closed.